Hi guys, it's me Lore. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Viviva Colors Spring watercolor pans.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass.
Viviva Colors is a small company that makes handmade watercolor sheets that are easy to use, transportable, and their colors are so vibrant and bright. A couple of weeks ago, they sent me their new products to try them out, and I was surprised by how cute the spring watercolor pan looks. It comes in a cardboard little box where you have all the info about the brand and the watercolors. And inside the watercolor pan comes wrapped in the cutest cardboard sleeve with spring-themed illustrations. When you open them, you have this thin and light cork pan with a paper lid that you can actually use as a small palette to mix your colors, as it's waterproof. It also comes with a swatch card for you to try the colors before painting, because many times the colors that you see are a bit different than the ones you get when painting. I think that having the cork base makes it look extra special. It's easy to carry around and it's very light and it's as small as a phone. You can easily carry it in your pockets or in your purse. Only if you're a man, or by some miracle your clothes have normal size pockets. This watercolor pan has 16 lovely spring colors that are bright and vivid. My favorite ones from this set are the light yellow-green, the bees yellow and the opera. They remind me of spring and good times for sure. I personally like brands that help their community. Viviva are a small family business that employs women in India to create their products, and you can see that they are made with such love and care. What I also like very much is that there is no plastic packaging for these watercolors. It's all paper, cork from reused wine bottle caps and the actual paint, so it's very eco-friendly. I'm not a fan of mixing my colors on the paper lid that it comes with, so I use a ceramic mini palette instead, like this one. That would be the only downside of these watercolors, but it's not a big deal and you can easily use another palette that you have to mix your colors. But if you're traveling, then you can use the paper lid or just pack with you a tiny palette like this one. I painted some birds inspired by the vibrant colors of the Viviva Spring pan, and I loved how saturated and bright the colors are. You need to know that they have a lot of pigment and you won't need to rub much your brush on them. In fact, if you just touch the color with your wet brush, that will be enough for you to start painting. So I think this should last you for a very long time. They are so pigmented that you can easily paint an area with a dark green color, for example, and then you could paint on top with a more vibrant, lighter color, like turquoise blue, for example. I feel like it makes the watercolor painting process so much easier, especially for beginners, since it allows you to just paint and kind of forget about the watercolor rules and techniques. Also, I noticed that they dry quicker than my usual Winsor & Newton watercolors, so that speeds up the process of painting for sure. I think I only applied 2 watercolor layers in my bird paintings and then just added some details with my racked brush for the feather effect, and of course I added some final lines with a polychromos pencil, but that was it. With other watercolors, I would probably use at least 3 watercolor layers and then extra details to get a painting that is this detailed and contrasted. I think that these colors definitely give you a spring season vibe. My paintings turned out to be very bright and saturated and with very little effort, to be honest. They have so much light and I feel so comfortable using this watercolor pan that I would recommend it to anyone that likes vivid paintings. I will leave the links to their website in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried any Viviva Colors watercolors or products. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content, and thank you so much for supporting my work. See you next Friday with another video. Bye!